Alright, here's my funny little pink pumpkin. I was going to plant a plant in it, but it smells so good that I think I'm going to bake it up with some spices. So, of course, first I'm going to add cinnamon. Everywhere, cinnamon. Next, I'm going to add nutmeg, of course. Nutmeg. And some cloves. Not as much, probably, of the cloves, but might as well add a little bit of that. And one of my favorites is cardamom. A lot of that. A lot of. All right, here it is set for 350. And I put some water in a pan and I put it upside down, and I am going to bake it like this, and we'll see how it goes. Probably a couple hours. We'll add a crumble of butter and brown sugar. Maybe some oats, and we'll see. Maybe make a pumpkin crisp.